Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta Data Exchange. For the last 2 or 3 days, our market, it's clearly there's a kind of a negative bias. On one side, global cues are really very good. On the other side, the VIX is not increasing. The VIX keeps falling. But the intraday, yesterday also, Nifty fell more than 200 points from intraday high to low. Today also, the Nifty has fallen more than 200 points from intraday high to low. At some point of time, even the Nifty broke 24,400 on the downside. Yesterday, although Nifty fell more than 200 points from intraday high, but at least towards the end of the day, there was some 60-70 point recovery. But today, the Nifty closed somewhere near the lowest point. And probably, the US jobs data, yesterday the private sector jobs data came, that was not good. But maybe today they were expecting something bad. But even the US markets are not reacting. At 6 p.m., the data came, the data was positive. Right now, the US futures are higher. But our market is coming under a good selling pressure. The mid cap and small caps have outperformed, but the large caps, came under a good selling pressure. On a close-to-close basis, the Nifty has not fallen big. But intraday, like markets were going up 100 point, coming down 100 point, again going by 200 point, again falling 200 point. The intraday volatility was very, very huge. One thing is very clear, FIIs are interested in selling, the domestic institutions are interested in buying. The last 2 days, the net institutional flow was negative, but at least that is getting corrected today. I think today, net institutional figure, I think is slightly positive, I think. So I didn't check properly. Yeah, it is slightly negative. FIIs have sold for 1,481 crores. The domestic institutions have bought for 1,333 crores. That means there's a net sell of 150 crore. So that's okay. 150 crore is just a small money. And Bank Nifty especially was weak yesterday also, and it was weak today also. Despite HDB Financial is doing very well, but there is no corresponding improvement in HDFC Bank. Today, Kotak Bank is the worst performer, contributed the highest number of points for the Nifty fall. And then IndusInd Bank, so there is some problem. Also, there are some news that IndusInd Bank may be getting out of Nifty 50. So maybe like those exchange traded funds may start selling even from now itself also. So the banking stocks are just, very negative. IT is a divergent. TCS was down, but Infosys was higher. So overall, we can say we expected Nifty to consolidate between 25,200 and 26,000 for the last 1 week, and that has done so. We expected Nifty to close between 24,400 and 25,600. But although it broke 25,400 briefly, but the closing was about 25,400. So, one whole week, it was just a consolidation. I think between last Thursday to this Thursday, Nifty has fallen about 150 points. I think Bank Nifty has fallen about 500 points. So next week, also, I'm expecting the markets to consolidate, and also expecting the consolidation between like 25,200 or maybe 25,000 to 26,000. Not expecting anything very big. And if any breakout has to come, maybe it may come after the corporate results. The first set of results are from IT stocks, but anyway, IT stocks are not expected to give any good results. So maybe towards the end of that week, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank will be declaring the results. So maybe fourth week onwards, there may be some action. So today expiry is over. So there's nothing much to discuss about the open interest and this and that. So we will discuss the remaining things tomorrow morning. But medium term to long term, we are still bullish. This is just consolidation. You may remember Nifty was consolidating between 24,500 and 25,200. How many days? For nearly 4 or 5 weeks. That too, it was a violent consolidation. But at least now, that much violence is not there. Though intraday markets were moving, but on a close-to-close basis, it was like 40, 50 points down. So markets likely to consolidate until the corporate results start coming in. And then after that, the corporate results will decide. Meanwhile, the Trump tariff, the deadline is July 9. So that's a near-term risk. And those things we will discuss tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.